we also we have to study about the period. See, in the period 2 there is boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. I am moving from left to extreme right. Table, the extreme left have boron and extreme right side have fluorine. That is Vaknov. That is boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. In period 3, that is in the third period, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine, Alsi Pascal. That is aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. In fourth period, it is gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium and bromine. That is Gajar, Assi, Bar. Indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine. This is group fifth. That is indium, tin, antimony, tellurium and iodine. The last one is thulium, lead, bismuth, polonium and astatine. It is the you must know the names from left to right before going to the atomic and ionic radii. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine in group second. In group third it is aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. In group fourth gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine. In group fifth it is indium, tin, antimony, tellurium and iodine. In group sixth it is thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium and astatine. Students, see the first one, that is atomic and ionic radii. Atomic radius decreases from left to right. It decreases from left to right, that is it decreases from boron to fluorine. It decreases from aluminium to chlorine, gallium to bromine, indium to iodine. In this way it decreases from left to right. Why this decrease? Why this size decreases? Why atomic and ionic radii decreases from left to right? This is explained on the basis of increasing nuclear charge, which pulls the electron inside and thus decrease the atomic size. As we know, in case of boron, atomic number is, that is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Means atomic number is 5. Carbon, it is 6. Nitrogen 7. Oxygen 8. Fluorine 9. But remember, they all enter into period 2. They will enter from 5 atomic number 5 to atomic number 9. The electrons are continuously entering into the period 2. That means size is not increasing, but as electron increases, there is increase in the nuclear charge, which pulls the electron inside towards the nucleus. Therefore atomic size decreases. When we will study about the from top to bottom on descending down the group, variation in a group means you have to think about the variation or radius of the boron, then aluminium, gallium, indium and thulium. So this is top to bottom. You can also use the word down the group. Down a group in a periodic table, when we move from boron to aluminium, aluminium to gallium, gallium to indium and indium to thallium, the size of the atom increases due to the effect of extra shell of electron being added. In this case, in case of boron, the period is 2. In aluminium, period is 3. Gallium again size increases period 4. In indium it is period 5. So in this way period 2 to 6 the size increases from top to bottom because the size increases due to the extra shell of and that electrons are added in the extra shell. This effect is so large that it outweighs the effect of increased nuclear charge. Hence, the radius of atom increases from top to bottom. You have to remember that the size atomic radii, ionic radii decreases from